it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a pair of sunglasses that will help you enjoy the colors and not take away from the vibrancy of nature, but also be 100% UV blocking, I highly recommend these ones by CARFIA. This is their retro polarized sunglasses for women. I love that I can wear them all day. They feel incredible wrapped around my ears, sitting on my nose. They're not heavy. They're nice if you wear sunglasses a lot. I appreciate the lens themselves, and it kind of fades a little lighter as you look down, so that way you don't lose any of that light, but you don't get that glare as well. It comes with these case that is really nice, especially for storing them and keeping your sunglasses clean, and has a lens cleaner inside as well. This is very durable. It's a great price for a high quality pair of sunglasses. And if you have a small or medium sized face, this is perfect. This is really nice. It doesn't fly off my face and it stays sturdy, it stays put. The lens width is 49 millimeters and the lens height is 43 millimeters, which is ideal for blocking that sun. And I really like the style as well. This retro polarized sunglasses is ocean blue with this tortoise, beautiful design that makes it fun. So if you really want to enjoy being out in nature, but you do need a pair of sunglasses that can really withhold all the fun adventures that you have, definitely I recommend these ones. I really enjoyed wearing them, and they're not breaking down. They're very soft. They have this smooth, firm metal hinges that make them very durable as well. And I absolutely love them.
But that's just my point of view.